Hi, my name is Stephen Voida. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Colorado, Boulder. My research group investigates the design of personal technologies for wellness, including in the information workplace. To that end, my team has been creating physical computing devices like these that capture the ephemera of temporality in the workplace, helping people to visualize how they spend their time and to plan their future workdays more effectively. Here's another example. These devices were created to sit on an individual worker's desk and provide task and activity planning information in a novel, somewhat aesthetically pleasing way without taking up too much space on the primary display. These devices are intended to help people better able to attend to the passage of time, reduce their stress, more accurately schedule tasks during the day or plan out a project, and have improved awareness and empathy within the work group because they can see the other displays on their colleagues' desks. Overall, what we're aiming to explore is how to design tools that can help people reflect on how they spend their time. My students have designed, manufactured, and assembled these devices over the last several years. Our plan in the winter and spring of 2020 was to conduct a real-world study of how these devices are used within groups of information workers. But of course, there was an external event that was a little beyond our control, and COVID-19 and the mandatory shift to working from home changed everything. We did try to continue the study by sending these devices home with our research participants. Time management should be just as important when working remotely from home, if not more challenging. What we found, even among our small sample of prototype evaluators, both confirmed prior research about remote work, and it surprised us in the intensity of its impact, even to work that was originally primarily digital in nature. Some of the pros, helping people who were in the study, is that the workday could be time shifted to their personal preference. The downside is that tasks were much more fractured as they worked around children and pets and spousal needs. The pro is that there was more work independence, but the con is that there was a lot less effective collaboration with our remote colleagues. Overall, what we saw was a loss of control in managing their time, more reactive scheduling as opposed to being able to plan ahead. These findings caused us to step back and use our data to explore a slightly different research question. Why is time management different in work from home? We conducted an additional content analysis of working from home conversations on Reddit to complement our data. We found several key challenges for information workers as they navigate this brave new world. First, everybody's work from home environment is unique and everybody's a little different in how they do it. Their home office spaces or lack of dedicated places to make this happen, the new coworkers that they were integrating in terms of their pets and kids, the demands placed on their time by these competing work and home interests. They made it really hard. We also saw different strategies playing out for making time management and boundary separation work in working from home, either segmenting work from the home things very explicitly or trying to integrate everything together. We also saw that remote workers measured and discerned productivity in really different terms than they did in the office, and in different ways than their managers might. Productivity was more about getting things done whenever and wherever they could fit it in, which is a fundamentally different kind of time management problem that our devices were trying to solve. It means that the way that we think about time management and productivity and the tools that we use to support these key facets of information work need to evolve. And this is applicable to the design of a really wide variety of productivity tools, email clients, enterprise collaboration portals, you name it. We need tools that embody alternate notions of productivity, time management that's more than about staying busy in a 9-to-5 workday, and work technology that also feels at home in the home. These are the research challenges that my students and I are looking forward to tackling, and we hope to do it in collaboration with Microsoft and with partners like you. Thanks very much.